Should be good.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna make this part 2 of the trailer gets lit. So on my video with the exterior lights, I installed this waterproof LED strip lighting, which is covered in silicone, and I was under the impression that it would be a lot tougher than it actually is. These LED strips break real easy, but since this was covered in silicone, I thought maybe it'd be more durable. But long story short, I broke the strip installing my gray water tank, which really it was okay. It still lit up the underneath of the trailer, but the last 4 feet of the strip were burnt out. So after doing that, I realized that even a rock bouncing up or something off of the road would break this strip and then cause problems later on. So I decided to fix it instead of just leave it like it was. And instead what we're gonna do is install these aluminum channels for the LED strip. So I'm gonna mount these underneath the trailer to the frame, and then we'll run this strip through the channel, and then they come with a lens, a cover that'll go over top of that. So it'll add another layer of protection to them, and then if any rocks or any debris or something like that comes off the road, it's not gonna break them. So that should make them last a lot longer and be a lot better solution. So we're gonna get these installed, and then this actually comes with adhesive tape on the back, so we're just gonna tape the strip inside of this once we get it fastened to the trailer, and then put the cover on to hold it in as well. So that's what we're doing today. Oh, I'm glad I did this. So instead of soldering all the wires straight to my previous strip, I actually left the plugs on the end and then put a waterproof, shrink wrap waterproof over it. So luckily I don't have to do any soldering or anything like that to replace this. All I did was cut my shrink wrap tubing off and then unplugged it. So now I'll just be able to plug in this new strip, you know, reinstall, heat shrink the tubing, and it'll be good to go. So shouldn't be that hard, but we're gonna get it fixed. That way it lasts a long time. So this is how I'm fastening these channels to the trailer. I'm cutting them down to fit my floor joist here, and then using a lathe screw to fit them together just like that. And then I'll tighten that up, and then we'll run the LED through there. So I'll get these fastened up, and then I'll show you kind of how it looks with all of them running down the trailer. Okay, so here's what we got. That's the channel running down full length of the trailer. There's Tango. So now we're gonna tape in the LED strip and then put our cover over that, our lens over the top of this channel. Alright, there we go. Got the new light bar installed running the trailer. So now the LED strip is protected from any rocks jumping up or from a gray water tank being installed. So shouldn't have any problems with this for a long time. It's mounted to the frame, the aluminum track, and everything's fastened in nice and tight with the cover to protect it. Should be good.